Ja tervetuloa Manageri Cornerin pariin. Manageri Corneri osa Mannheimiin, jossa ratkotaan rullakiekon maailmanmestaruusturnauksen pokaalijoukkueita. Veikot on selvinnyt välieristä finaaliin ja vieressäni on Ian Rysak from United States. Ian, welcome to the Veikko TV's interview.
Thank you.
Yeah, how come you ended up to play to Mannheim?
How do we end up to play Mannheim?
Yeah.
We've won in the States. We do the league in the States, and the winning team comes here. So we had to beat all the teams in the States here.
All right. How long have you been a player in the roller hockey? Are you a hockey player or just...
So I'm 29 now. Started when I was like 10 years old.
Okay.
So 19 years.
19 years. Only roller hockey?
Yeah.
Only roller.
We have some ice guys on our team, but most of us are only roller hockey.
All right. Which kind of season you have in the United States? How many games and which kind of
We do like
series?
tournaments, so you play 4 games every tournament, and it was five tournaments.
Okay.
So like 20 games.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys have a semi-final game against Kouvola from Tampere, Finland. So you must be hungry to get the World Champions final game.
Yeah, we're excited to play them. We played them last year. They beat us in the first round, and then we played them again, and we beat them. And same thing happened. They beat us in the first round here, so it's a pretty big rivalry. I don't think we really like each other. It's usually a lot of hitting and slashing, so we're excited to play.
Yeah, I just have to ask you, so how hard are you going to tackle when the play is?
We're going to do every chance we get, probably.
Yeah.
But, it'll be a blowout.
Yeah, I think that's your power to play that game, because this is the first time in Europe when teams can tackle.
Right.
So we haven't used it.
Yeah. So we kind of try to use that to our advantage, but at the same time, we try not to do it too much because these European teams are really skilled, you know.
Yeah.
Sweden, Finland teams, they capitalize on everything.
Yeah. Okay, I hope that tomorrow's final is going to be Finland versus United States.
So do I. Your Finland team, not that Finland team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.